Good morning, students. Today we will discuss another problem. Find the general solution of the ordinary differential equation x square minus x y double dash minus x y dash plus y is equal to 0. Given that y1 equal to x is a solution. Here one solution is given. Then we have to find out the second solution. Then we can write the general solution of the given ordinary differential equation. For this, solve this problem, first we understand the second order linear homogeneous ordinary differential equation standard form will be y double dash plus pxy dash plus qxy is equal to 0. First we compare the given problem with our standard form. When we compare with our standard form, we divide. This is the equation x square minus x y double dash minus xy dash plus y is equal to 0. First, we convert this into standard form. For that, divide this equation. Divide the equation by x square minus x. Then we get y double dash minus x by x square minus x into y dash plus y by x square minus x is equal to 0. This is the standard form. After that, we compare with our general form of ordinary differential equation. Then we get the value of p. The value of p is equal to minus x by x square minus x. Compare with our standard form of ordinary differential equation. We find out the value of p. Here the value of p is equal to minus x by x square minus x. Minus x by x square minus x. This can be written as minus x by x into x minus 1. Minus x into, we take x outside, x into x minus 1, cancel this x. Therefore, the value of p is equal to minus 1 by x minus 1. So first we find out the value of p. Then we find out capital U. We find out the value of u. To find out the value of u, we use the formula u is equal to 1 by y1 square e raised to minus integral p dx. By using this formula, find the value of capital U. That is 1 by y1 square. Y1 is equal to the given solution. We given one solution is that is x. Therefore, 1 by x square. Y1 is equal to x. Given in the problem, y1 is equal to x. 1 by x square e raised to minus integral p is equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 dx. That is 1 by x square into e raised to integral 1 by x minus 1 dx. Minus into minus, that is equal to plus 1 by x minus 1 dx. This is equal to 1 by x square into 1 by x minus 1, integral of 1 by x minus 1, ln x minus 1, log x minus 1. Therefore, 1 by x square into e raised to ln x minus 1. That can be written as x minus 1 by x square. X minus 1 by x square. Therefore, the value of capital U is equal to x minus 1 by x square. Then, by using this u, we can find out the value of small u. Then we can find out the value of small u. To find the value of small u, u is equal to integral u dx. U is equal to x minus 1 by x square dx. That is integral of x by x square 1 by x minus 1 by x raised to minus 2 dx. Integrate this with respect to x, we get ln x minus x raised to minus 1 by minus 1. That is ln x minus plus 1 by x. This is small u. Then to find the value of y2. Therefore, the value of y2 is equal to using the formula u into y1, that is u is equal to ln x plus 1 by x into y1. y1 is equal to x. Then multiplying this one, we get x ln x plus 1. Therefore, we get the second solution y2 is equal to x ln x, x log x plus 1. Therefore, the final solution will be, y is equal to, or general solution will be y is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. c1 y1 is equal to the first solution, y1 is equal to x plus c2 into y2 is equal to x ln x plus 1. Therefore, our final solution will be c1x plus c2 into x log x plus 1. This is the procedure for finding the solution of the ordinary differential equation when one solution is given. Here, one solution y1 is given. By using that y1, we can easily find the value of y2. To find the value of y2, first we find out the capital U. By using the formula 1 by y1 square e raised to minus integral p dx. To find the value of p, we first convert the given equation to the standard form of a ordinary differential equation. After converting into standard form, here to convert standard form, we divide this equation by x square minus x. After converting into standard form, comparing with our standard form, we get the value of p. By using p, we can easily find the value of capital U. After finding u, we find the value of small u. To find the value of small u, integral of u dx. First, we integrate this u with respect to x. After finding u, we multiplying the first solution or given solution by u, we get the second solution y2. Therefore, y2 is equal to u1. Therefore, the final solution will be y is equal to c1x plus c2 into x log x plus 1. Okay, right now.